Hello, dear connections. Today we will discuss about one important global issue which all the Power BI developers are facing around the world. The issue is related to Snowflake. Like a new version of Power BI released, and in this version, if any Power BI developer wants to connect Snowflake with Power BI, they can see only the Snowflake tables, but under the table name there are many uh, schemas and views are there. Okay, views are there, but they can't able to see the views. Okay, after this new latest version came, so I have found out the solution. So let's jump into our Power BI to see the solution. So my Power BI, one of my Power BI file is already open. Uh, Here I need to go to File, then you need to go to Options and Settings, then click on Options. In these options, we need to go to Preview Features option. In this Preview Features option, you can see use new Snowflake connector implementation. This is already ticked because my Power BI version has automatically upgraded. So you need to uncheck it and click on OK. If you want, you can pause my video and do the same step. Now click on OK. It will need a restart now, so we need to restart. So after this restart, you can again see the views under the Snowflake table names. Okay. I hope this video helps all of you. Thank you.